Testing the tornado siren.
Yeah.
Where's it coming from?
White Road.
Those people that live over there, they're probably dying right now.
Yep.
They're dying from the noise. Can you close the door?
Yeah, I will. Hold on. Sounds like a plane.
Close the door.
Yeah, I will.
Love your iPad. You're looking at yourself.
I'm upside down.
Is it open? Can you stop opening the dang door?
It's not over. I mean, it's getting quieter.
Okay, good. Now I can go to sleep. Good.
Still going.
So on Fridays they test it?
No, every Saturday, the first of the week. If it isn't the first of the week, then they do it another day because they're testing it and see if it still works. Every month they test it. Well, not every month, but once in a while.